This is Jay with Car Guys New England, and today we're working on the Caprice once again. Just doing little things in preparation for the car. So I don't really have a crew here today or anything. So if anybody feels left out, I'm sorry. You know, I just didn't need the help. I only ask for help when I really, really need it. Hoses and cylinders, I've capped them off. That way they wouldn't lose a ton of oil. So I'm going to remove the cap from the cylinder. And that protects the threads, which is nice. Just carefully removing this hose plug. Trying not to lose a bunch of oil. And now I just got to loop this around real quick and get the threads to start. Okay. We're going to end up bleeding the air out of the system anyways. So it's going to make a mess. But for now, this hose connection is on, and we'll bleed the air out of that shortly. And now we're going to do the other side. We're going to remove the cap on the passenger side cylinder, and we're just going to try to do this as quickly as possible because this is going to be messy. And I'm going to hose, and we're going to try to get that on there without making a huge mess. Okay. And during the assembly process, I might have put the pistons in too far into the tanks, so I have to reset them. So on the pressure side for the gas on the piston, I'm going to take these deflators, basically they're tire deflators, but I can put those on the pressure side. That way basically it can't hold pressure on that side. And then once I get those on, I'm going to put air into the oil side of the tank. And what I'm doing is basically I'm just pushing the piston. Oh, I heard it move. Okay. All right, so now I can take these off, recap them, and now we're going to put oil in the tanks. All right, so Cyrus is helping me out. He's just taking off the bezels. We're going to put the gold ones on, and also the gold grill on the car. Even though that's not performance related, I'd like to get as much gold on this car as possible. All right, and we already got this one in. There we go, we got it all on the car. Now I'm going to put my attention back to the hydraulics. All right, so we got a secret recipe oil, specifically blended for these particular gears that were custom made. And now we're just going to start the pump and start filling. There we go. Look at that Earl. All right, so we're filled up, and I'm just going to take my tank plugs and I'm going to put those in, get those back in there, and then I can bleed the system. So the setup has been bled, and now really the new pump heads just need to be broken in, but this is 48 volts on these. So let me that goes up really hard. This is gonna be insane once these are broken in. So I'm just gonna keep lifting and lowering the car, breaking in the hydraulics. But now we gotta run out and get some supplies over at the hardware store because now we're gonna fix the trampoline spring issue. So I'm gonna be mounting a new bracket for my trampoline springs. So you can see I got the bracket on top. It's hollow on the inside with a huge bolt with a trampoline springs hook on the top, but I was attaching them to the end of the bolt, which wasn't sufficient. I could only get about 3 trampoline springs on. So I made this bracket that has holes to hold up to at least 8 trampoline springs, and it got grooves in it to retain them. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna weld it like something like that and get it on there. That way I can get a bunch of trampoline return springs on this, and it should be good. All right, I have welded the bracket in. I'll probably zip it up in a few more spots, and then I'll put the springs on after I just paint this and clean it up. 6 trampoline springs fit in here, and they're secured. So we're gonna put the wheel back on, and then we're gonna do the other side. The wheel's back on. So now the passenger side is complete, and I got it locked up right now so you can see how the springs kind of stretch out there. But yeah, they're stretched about 3 times their length right now. But this is all done, and on to the next projects. Well, that was a lot of fun. We managed to cram in at least 6 trampoline return springs. Also got the hydraulics filled up. So we are almost ready for our maiden test with all of these changes. So I'm really looking forward to getting out there and trying out the changes that were made to the car. And if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like. If you have questions or comments, be sure to comment down below. This is Jay with Car Guys New England. Until next time, take care.